everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Deasia, but you can call me D. If you're new for the first time, welcome. Thanks for joining me. Today I did a really easy glitter fall look with some browns and some yellows and some oranges. If you want to see how I achieved this look, please continue on watching. To start off, I'm using my Goof Proof Brown Pencil in the shade 4, and I'm going to fill in my eyebrows. Then to clean up under my eyebrows, I'm using my MAC Cosmetics Studio Fix Concealer in the shade NW40. Next, I'm going to blend around my eyebrow. Lastly, I'm going with my Essence Lash and Brow Gel Mascara, and I'm going to set my brow with this. Next, I'm going to prime my eyes with my PLouise base in the shade Rumour 0. Using my Jaclyn Hair palette. I haven't used this palette in so long and I know it's easy to tell, but I'm going first shade that I'm going in with is this brown shade right here. In that same palette, I'm going to use this color, Secure, right here, up on top of that shade I just put down. I'm going to go back and forth in that dark brown and the brown I just put down to get that blend that I want. I'm going to go in with this light shade to put that right up under my brow. So instead of going into that shade I just said I was going to go into it, I end up going into it Girls Trip in this shade instead because it gives me that highlighted look that I wanted. Then I'm going to go back into that shade that I used before in my transition just to blend it up with the highlight. I want my eye crease to be a little more darker, so I'm going in with this shade right here, Proud. And I'll put that right on my crease. So using my white PLouise base in the shade Rumour 0, I'm going to cut my crease. Using the Nomad palette by Juvia's Place, I'm going in with my favorite yellow eyeshadow, which is right here, and I'm going to put that in the front. Moving to the Matte Book by the Crayon Case, I'm going to use this orange shade and I'm going to blend that in with the yellow one. So I'm going back into this palette and I'm using this dark brown. Going in on my NYX eyeliner, I'm going to draw my eyeliner. To add some gold glitter on my crease. I got this gold glitter from Amazon. It doesn't have a name on it. Moving on to the face, I'm going in with my MAC Cosmetics Studio Fix Mattifine 12-Hour Shine Control Primer. Next, I'm using my Pore Blur by Makeup Revolution. And I like to use a good amount of this stuff. Now going into my Too Faced Prime and Poreless Blurring Powder. I'm going to put this on my cheeks to take away my pores. Using my Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation in the shade Cinnamon. And my foundation brush, I'm going to spray this brush with some setting spray. Using my Urban Decay setting spray. Using my Tarte concealer in the shade 4210 Sand. Take my beauty blender. Using my Juvia's Place setting powder in the shade Kalahari, which is going empty on me. This is what I'm going to use to set with. Well, actually, I'm going to contour my face first because I didn't contour yet. When I'm going to set first. So next, I'm going to my Too Faced bronzer in the shade Dark Chocolate Soleil. I think that's what it's called. Which I think is what it's saying. Soleil. I think I wanted to say Soleil. But I'm going through my little face right now, but I'm not doing contour. I'm just doing bronzer. Next, I'm using my Bella blush by Juvia's Place, and yeah, this is what I'm using for blush today. My Anastasia Glow Kit for my highlighter today, and I'm using this shade right here, Golden Dawn. I'm going to separate my face first with some setting spray. This is the Makeup Revolution Super Hold Misting Spray. I'm just gonna press that in lightly and let the other dry down. And I'm gonna go right on top. I'm taking this brown eyeliner pencil. Then I'm gonna go in with this shade right here. And in the inner corner of my eye, I'm gonna put some yellow eyeshadow right there from that Juvia's Place palette. My Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. I'm gonna add some lashes, some mascara at the bottom. Now for the lips, I'm going in with my NYX concealer in the shade Deep Rich. Some Juvia's Place concealer in the shade 10. This is the final look. It's really giving fall vibes, sunset vibes. Well, no, not sunset vibes, fall vibes. Fall is my favorite time of the year. This will probably be a good look for some Thanksgiving makeup. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn your post notifications on so you won't miss another beat. Follow my socials, that's listed in my description, and I will see you guys in my next video.